Hi, PG with MarineMax of Houston. I'm aboard the 2019 275 Freedom by Grady-White. This is a great boat for doing everything. It's a twin console with twin 200 Yamahas on the back. Check out these loungers. This one folds completely away. This one electrically retracts up into here, makes just a conventional seat, like if you wanted to troll while you're fishing under the hardtop. Plenty of rod holders. A really nice wet bar for entertaining with fresh water. We even have a freshwater shower in the back. Plenty of drawers and storage. This is a yacht certified boat, so you're not limited on how many guests, as long as you have flotation for everyone. We've got plenty of room at the deluxe helm for your electronics. We do custom rigging on any brand of electronics you might want. Another great feature about this boat is this huge head compartment. Great for a head, changing room. Nice stereo system. These are the electric controls for this lounger. If you look forward, we have lots of seating up front, but all of these cushions are actually removable, and they reveal a casting platform underneath. This middle insert is actually removable, so you can have just regular bow seating for your guest. We've also got an anchor windlass hidden away under the deck up here. It's hot here in Houston. It's July. We've got some great deals. Y'all come check us out. I'm PG. Be glad to help you.